back are welcome on today. This is Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and More. I share tablescapes, home decor, cooking, DIYs, seasonal decor, and outdoor living. Follow me on all of my socials. And now let's enjoy the video together. Well, decorating and styling is all fun, but before we can do that, we need a clean slate. So for a few moments, let's clean together. sincerely appreciate you spending some time with me on today here at the Johnson Ranch. And let's do it again real soon, like tomorrow or the day after that. Yeah, sometime real soon. And my last DIY for this room is to paint the frame of my mirror, because as you see, it just simply blends into the wall. Well, if you're new, make sure to subscribe on your way out. And everyone, I'm talking everyone, give this video, please, a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. Now let's go to the next video.